All right, happy Saturday. I hope everyone's enjoying football or shopping or whatever you're doing out there. Weather wasn't too bad, I'll be honest with you. I think at warm at times, maybe cooler times if the sun got blocked out a little bit. Now, rain chances. We're seeing some scattered showers, light scattered showers. We'll continue to do so overnight into the morning. Winds will pick up once again. Why? Because another cold front is headed this way into the crossroads. All right, so 70 degrees today. Hey, that's pretty much where we're supposed to be. At times the sun was out, at times it wasn't. But look at 1926. We've been as high as 88 degrees. So yeah, it could be a lot warmer this time of year. Hey, temperatures could even be a little cooler. We're going to see some of that activity. Here's our temps now. Now that boundary is going to come down with some cooler air. Temperatures are going to start to drop. I guess they're dropping so bad, they're falling right off the map. So we'll go right through this. But here's our winds. What's going to happen with our winds? That boundary is going to come through. We're going to see some tugging and surrounding systems. And yeah, we can see gusts in that 30-mile-per-hour range. Should start to settle down probably later Monday and into Tuesday. We can see some winds gusting away, yeah, about 25 and 30 miles per hour. All right, these got knocked down. They're slowly enhancing or increasing once again. We're seeing some of that flow, that return flow out of the Gulf. But that boundary is going to come down. Winds will be out of the north. We're going to cool down, and these numbers will go down as our moisture really gets wrenched out of the atmosphere. Later in the week, we'll start to see warmer weather. We'll see that return flow out of the Gulf, maybe in that Wednesday, Thursday timeframe. Temperatures will start to excel, and we'll start to see these numbers on the rise once again as well. But here is our radar. So yeah, I mean, looks semi-active, but really light bouts of rain, and just really scattered across the area. As Zach is waiting his turn over there for sports, really scattered across the area, and most of the crossroads, yeah, really not seeing too much rain. All right, now chance with this moisture, late night, early morning hours, could see a little bit of fog, not indicating too highly here, but it's kind of a hit or miss. But if you are out there and visibility is getting taken down, yeah, you want to drive on the slower side. There's a chance that we see some of this late night to early morning fog. All right, here's the boundary we're waiting on right now. We're seeing disturbances and moisture pushing up from the south. Moisture running the moisture, you get that lift. We're seeing those showers very much on the light side. Well, what's going to happen, the boundary moving our way, and again, this moisture moving and kind of crowding up in front of this boundary, that creates the lift too and some of the showers. But the boundary is going to come our way, and when that happens, we can see some showers along the boundary. Wind's going to pick up a little bit, but eventually the boundary pushes through the area. Cooler air will start diving down. We're going to see some sunshine or partly sunny skies and cooler temperatures. But I talked about it later in the week. We'll see a return flow of that Gulf moisture. Then we'll start to see things warming up. But that boundary comes through, brings us a little bit of shower activity. Again, not a washout by any means. About most of the area, maybe even staying on the dry side. All right, here's our marine forecast. Water-wise, right around 71 or 66 degrees, excuse me. Seas 4 to 6, occasionally at 8 feet, keeping us rough. This is small craft advisory criteria, so yes, be careful on the waterway. 57 overnight, another 40% chance of showers. Could see that early morning fog. Look at these winds, 65 degrees. That is for tomorrow. That was for my GMA. That will be for tomorrow, Sunday, 65 degrees. Then looking ahead, here is what we have. So by Monday, we go from 65 to 55 degrees. Then we slowly start to warm as the winds will switch out of the southeast again later in the week. But as we warm, our rain chances will increase as well with that moisture pushing in from the Gulf of Mexico.